Hello everyone, my name is Pranay. Today I'll be showing you ASP.NET pages, okay, and how we can get those pages and how we can just do some work with them, okay. So before that, let's open them. Open file in that new website. And when you open a website, there will be an empty website option. Click that empty website option. Like it will show an empty website with only a web config file. Okay, right click this and add add a new item and add a web form. Okay, so when you add a web form, you will get a page like this known as uh, web form name dot aspx. Okay, that will be the name, and the function of those will be C sharp. That would be in aspx dot cs. So in aspx there will always be a default aspx page. Okay, so in this aspx you have a source code which will it is similar. It is of HTML. It is an HTML file, similar to an HTML file, where you can simply drag drop the components of this HTML file. For example, a button, a password, or just a text box. You can just drag and drop and create a design like this. So in this case, I've created a design of login where I have two buttons, and I've given the functionality of these buttons in this section. Okay, so it is similar to the uh, previous to previous, that is a form application. Okay, here we are doing the web form application. Okay, so it's simpler. There is a database. I'm connected to the database using SQL connection, opening the connection, writing a query using SQL adapter. I'm filling the data and just doing some logic with it and going on to next pages. There are various pages like that. So there is default page. So I'll show you the code. This is sign up form. Then there is aspx.cs. This is also the default to default. This is aspx.default to. This is a student grid entry form. And in the fourth one, there's only just grid view. Okay. So only grid view is there in fourth one. Okay, there is nothing more of that. So let us just start this form as in website, and let's see how these pages go. Okay, one more thing, if you want to go from one page to another page, then we use this function name known as one second, so we use this function response dot redirect. So it will take us to that page if the condition comes correct. Okay, so let me just run this page default 3. So login and password, right? So let me just create a new user. Okay, so id, name, register number. I've also kept the validators in here just in case I do not, I forgot to just type something. It will show you that yeah, it is a required field. Okay, so let's say the id is number, let's say 6 is the id. The name is pk. Okay, register number is ur14cs. It's a 222. Password is, let's say, pass1. Okay, if I write some wrong password, let's see what happens. It will say compare validator, as in it's a there's a password does not match. For example, if I leave this blank, what happens? Enter the field. Okay, so I have entered the validators also. You are 14 CS, let's say 222. Pass, it is 1. So I've signed up. It has been submitted. Okay, let us see that database where it has been submitted. Okay, so it is there in the grade sheet DB tables login page. Okay, let me connect to the database again. Tables. So submitted 2 times. Again, I will see 6 PK register number. As you can see, 6 PK again. Since I have submitted 2-3 times, it takes time to just get into the database. That is one problem. Okay, so this is how I can log in. So if I just log in through the user mode, I'll just get this what we call a user mode. In that user mode, you can only just see what is the database. Okay, but if you want to enter some value, we have to go through the admin mode. So here is the ID and the password for admin mode. One is the ID and password. Okay, so we'll just enter through this. Okay, I'll also show you the grade table. So this is a grade table, name, register, mass, English. One value is already there. Okay, see these are the values. So 100 and first pass. Okay, some values are there. Let us just go back. Enter this 100 and first pass. We'll see what happens. Login, see the database is shown. Okay, but this time let us be the admin. 1 admin pass. Login. We'll go to the student grade system. Okay, so let me just enter some values. Let's say the name is Ajay, aka register number UR 14 CS222. Maths I got 23, 32, 22, 233 like that I got. I've inserted this. Now view. See the data is added. Now update. I update some, let's say AK, it is changed to AK1. Okay, now update view, it is changed to AK1. Okay, now I want to delete, so AK1 will be deleted here, deleted. Okay, now view, as you can see. So this is a function of, this is how you can implement the ASP.NET pages, and you can do a lot of stuff with it. There are also required fields in here. For example, if I just forget to write something here, enter the field. So there all validators are also there. Okay, so you can do a lot of stuff with these pages. It's just the beginning of these pages. Okay, hope you have an amazing day. Bye bye.